wakaget to a radio station whereby hiyo exposure ya kukua in a radio station ikawapatia such broad knowledge, ikawapatia broader concept, ikawapatia mafans. So that's why they are able to scale. Hata kama wanasema vitu za ufala kwa nini yao, nyi mko tu hapo hii mafans mna clap. So to me I cannot compare myself to them, ama I cannot compare Makachero to Three Men Army. What we are all doing, we are creating content, we are all content creators. But for them they had an edge first. Walikuwa na edge, wako na edge ahead kwa sababu unajua kukua that tumekuwa in the limelight, especially kwa nini, kwa hii industry entertainment kwa in Kenya. That is umekuwa kwa radio station ama TV station, as in kuna hiyo training yenye una going through psychologically, as in mentally, emotionally, you're able to how to capitate your listeners. You get so many skills when you get in those industries. So that's where they are, and we are here where we are. But you see, the good thing, every day is a learning day, and every day above the ground is a great day. So today ukikumbuka time tukianza tulikuwa tumeanza ile time tulianza si kama saa hii. So there is nothing msianza niambia ati about
but I feel the difference between, like, for me, the difference between Makachero and Three Men Army, we are very different.
True, very.
Three Men Army wako in the entertainment industry.
True.
As in, they have a unique way of presenting their content. We are presenting reality. That's the fucking reality. I think that's the difference.